welcome back to Cousin's Garage. Alright, today, Zook stuff. So what I'm going to do with this, just a quick note, I am going to put out a video for every day I work on the car. So, here's today's. It's been a long time in between drinks on this project. This is my Sierra build. I've called it my Usierra because in my eyes it's the ultimate Sierra for what I want to do, not the ultimate Sierra. That thing doesn't exist. So, where we're up to with it now. This is the front diff housing, all bar my shock mounts. I'm just not happy with my shock mounts. This housing is pretty much done. I've got to finish welding out the other side. I think one of my bars here, one of my radius arm mounts has to be welded out. That's a heck of a plan. We're going to weld out this housing. I'll take you along for that ride, why not? And then we're going to go put it under the car, maybe actually set it up on jack stands on coils. So that's bloody exciting. Alright, let's get to it. Love it. If you're wondering, a little bit of oil there. Now, brake cleaner. Don't get carby cleaner. Carby cleaner will fucking kill you. 10-minute break. Make sure that's all flashed off. Because A, that is flammable as fuck. And B, the fumes off it aren't great. Alright, it's 10 minutes later. Lost me welding glove. Good job, Phil. So, wait for that to flash off. We should nearly be ready to blaze it up. One moment for I find my welding glove. Didn't wait long enough. Hey on Cousin's Garage, how to successfully burn your shed. It's nearly out. Shout out to all the people watching, because I've put up a lot of content for my burnout cards of late. I know 4-wheel drive guys do not give a shit about them. And if you're the burnout guys enjoying this, yeah, shout out to you too. Thanks for watching. The housing, now welded up. It's like a Jimmy housing, only not shit. Let's put it in the car. And just for tits and pickles, on coils. Awesome, first time out. Alright, that's day one done. Thanks for watching. If you like, feel free to subscribe.